have seen multiplying a monomial with monomial. Now in this video we are going to see multiplying monomial by a binomial and multiplying monomial by a trinomial. Okay. Now how to multiply monomial by a binomial? Now see, this is a monomial 3x. It consists only one term, so it is monomial. Next polynomial, that is 4x plus 2. It consists two terms, means it is binomial. So we have to multiply this monomial with this binomial. Now how to multiply this? Now in last video if you have seen, we have multiplied a monomial by a monomial. Okay. So this monomial will be multiplied by this one term of the binomial, and again this monomial will be multiplied by the second term of the binomial. Okay. So see this 3x multiplied by 4x plus 2. So this 3x is going to multiply 4x, 3x multiplied by 4x. Okay. And this 3x is going to multiply by 2. But see, 2 is having the sign positive. So we will take the plus sign here. And this 3x multiplied by 2. Okay. Means 3x multiplied by 4x plus 3x multiplied by 2. Now 3x multiplied by 4x is what? Again this is monomial into monomial. Okay, so 3 into 4, 12, x into x square, right? Plus, as it is, 3x into 2, that is 6x. So what is your answer for this? 3x into 4x plus 2, 3 into 4, 12, x into x square, plus 3x into 2, 6x. Okay, now come here, come to the next. See, suppose this is minus 3x, plus this is also monomial and this is binomial. But what is the difference? Here it was only positive monomial and here we are taking negative monomial. See, this is minus 3x multiplied by 5y plus 4. Again this minus 3x will be multiplied to this 5y and this minus 3x will multiply to this 4. Now see, this is having minus sign. So minus 3x multiplied by 5y minus 3x multiplied by 5y. See, put the bracket properly so you can see that where the sign is. Okay. So this minus 3x is multiplied by 5y. Now see, here it is plus sign. So we have taken the plus sign. Again this minus 3x is multiplied to the 4. Minus 3x multiplied to the 4. So minus and this 5y is having plus sign and they both are in multiplication. So minus plus becomes minus. So minus 3 into 5 minus 15. X into y, x. So see, minus 3x into 4y minus 12x. Sorry, minus 3x into 4 minus 12x. Okay. See, this plus minus becomes minus, so we have directly written as minus 12. So minus 15xy minus 12x. Okay. This is how to multiply monomial to the binomial. Now we will see how to multiply monomial to the trinomial. Trinomial means what? The polynomial which is having 3 terms. Okay. See, this is monomial and this is trinomial. 6p plus 2q plus 4. They are consisting 3 terms, so this is a trinomial. Okay. Now how to multiply this? In same way how we have multiplied with the binomial, same we have multiplied with the trinomial. So see, this 2p will be multiplied with 6p. Again 2p will be multiplied by twice q, and again 2p will be multiplied by 4. So say 2p multiplied by 6p. Plus sign, here also we have taken plus sign. This 2p multiplied by 2q. Plus sign and 2p multiplied by 4. Okay. So this is again monomial into monomial. See, 2p into 6p, 2 into 6, 12, p into p square, plus 2p into 2q, 2 into 2, 4, p into q, p cube, plus 2p into 4, that is 8p. So what is the answer? 12p square plus 4p cube plus 8p. Now come to the next example. See, again we have taken one negative monomial and the trinomial which consists negative sign also. Now see, this minus 3p will be multiplied to minus p and in same way to each term. Okay. Now see, this minus 3y into minus p. See how I have written minus 3y into bracket minus p. This means this 3y is also having minus sign and this p is also having minus sign. You better put proper bracket to Recognize that, otherwise you will be confused here. So this 3y into minus 3y into minus p, minus 3y into minus p. Now see this 2x is having sign positive, so we have taken here positive sign. So again minus 3y multiplied by 2x, minus 3y multiplied by 2x. Now see here, pay attention, see this 3 is having here minus sign, so we have taken here minus, and this minus 3 multiplied by 3. So again this is monomial into monomial, minus 3 into minus 3y into minus 3, minus minus becomes positive. So minus 3y into minus 3, it gives you 3py. Okay, plus as it is minus 3y into 2x, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, x into y, xy, minus sign as it is, minus 3y into 3, minus 9y. Now see it gives you 3py. Now see this is plus, this is minus, minus plus becomes minus, so it is minus 6y, and see this minus minus becomes plus, so it is 9. So in this way we have multiplied monomial by a binomial and monomial by a trinomial. We are going to start exercise 9.3. Before this we have seen how to multiply a monomial by a binomial and monomial by a trinomial. We are going to start exercise 9.3. Before this we have seen how to multiply a monomial by binomial and monomial by trinomial. Okay, now based on this, now we will start exercise 9.3. So your question number 1 of exercise 9.3 is, you have given two polynomials, one is monomial and the other is binomial. So you have to multiply it, you have to carry out the multiplication between the polynomials. So let us start now. So it is AB and another polynomial is A minus B. This is monomial because only one term is there, and this is binomial because two terms are there. So now we have to multiply. Now see how we will multiply this. This AB will be multiplied by A and this AB will be multiplied by this B. So AB multiplied by A, here minus sign is there, so we have taken here minus sign, and AB multiplied by B. So AB multiplied by A gives you A square B, because A is 2 times here, so A square B, minus sign as it is, AB multiplied by B gives you AB square. Similarly, next example see, PQ plus QR plus RP and another polynomial is 0. See this is 0 is also a polynomial. Okay, you must be thinking, is it constant or polynomial? We can say that 0 is also a polynomial, and one of the polynomial is this. See, PQ plus QR plus RP multiplied by 0. Now you know, since from first or second standard, that anything multiplied by 0 is always 0, whatever that anything may be. So this trinomial multiplied by 0 gives you answer as 0 only. In same way you can solve next example, remaining examples of this question number 1. Now come to the question number 2. The question number 2. In question number 2 there is a table, first expression, second expression and the product. So I have not drawn the table here, so I have just written the polynomials. See this is trinomial, this is monomial. 3 terms are there and here 1 terms are there. 1 term is there. We have to multiply this. So see this 5xy will multiply to this x, this 5xy will multiply to the y, and this 5xy is multiplied to the 5. Okay, so see this 5xy multiplied by x means x multiplied by 5y, plus sign is there, so we have taken here plus sign. Y multiplied by 5xy, minus sign is there, so we have taken here minus sign. 5 multiplied by 5x. Okay, so see x into 5xy gives you 5x square y, plus y into 5xy gives you 5xy square, minus 5 into 5xy gives you 25xy. Okay. Come to the example number 3. First polynomial is p, 6p square minus 7p plus 5, that is second trinomial. First polynomial, second polynomial. First polynomial is monomial, second polynomial is trinomial. Okay, so p into 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So again this p will multiply to the 6p square, then to 7p and then to 5. So p multiplied by 6p square minus sign as it is p multiplied by 7p plus sign as it is p multiplied by 5. P multiplied by 6p square gives you 6p cube. Okay, minus p into 7p gives you 7p square plus 5 into p gives you 5p. Similar way you can solve rest of the examples. Let's come to question number 3. Now see here, in this also you have to carry the multiplication. See, you can see this all are monomials because only one term is there. So we have to multiply it. Now see what is the question. A raised to 2 multiplied by 2a raised to 22 multiplied by 4a raised to 26. Now see here, what is the coefficient of this monomial? 1. Coefficient of this 2 and coefficient of this monomial is 4. So 1 into 2 into 4 gives you 8. I have directly written here like that. Now see, a square into a raised to 22 into a raised to 26. A raised to 26. Okay. Now see here, this is in standard 7 you must have learned law of indices. What is law of indices? When there are same bases and different powers, so there is the addition of the power. So you can see here base is a in everywhere and powers are different, so you will only do the addition of power, not multiplication. 2 plus 22 plus 26. See, 2 plus 22 plus 26 which gives you 50. See, I repeat again, when the bases are same and powers are different, you just have to add the powers, not you have to multiply that. Come to example number 3rd. Minus 10 upon 3p cube into 6 upon 5p cube. See, read the example carefully and solve it. See, coefficient, multiply the coefficient first. Now p into p cube gives you p raised to 4. Cube into cube gives you q raised to 4. Now see this 10 multiplied by 6 upon 3 multiplied by 5. Now you can see 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So minus 2 into 2 gives you minus 4, p raised to 4, q raised to 4. Similar way you can solve rest of the examples. Let's start question number 4. Question number 4, first question. In this question is given 3x into bracket 4x minus 5. We have to multiply it, means we have to simplify it, and we have to find the value of this expression at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 upon 2, that is half. So first we will solve this, means we will multiply this. See, this is 3x and 4x minus 5. This is one monomial, this is another binomial. Okay. See, in this which sign is there? Multiplication is there, we know that. Okay. So first we will multiply this 3x with this 4x and then we will multiply this 3x with this 5. So 3x multiplied by 4x minus side 3x multiplied by 5. So 3x into 4x gives you 12x square minus sign 3x into 5 gives you 15x. Okay. So we have simplified this. Now we have to find the value of this expression at x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 upon 2. So I have taken at x is equal to 1 upon 2. See, at x is equal to 1 upon 2 means what? In the place of x you have to substitute the value 1 upon 2. So see, 12x square. X square what? We have to put the value of x 1 upon 2. So 12 into 1 upon 2 bracket square. Minus 15x, so minus 15 into 1 upon 2. Now see this 1 upon 2 bracket square which gives you 1 upon 4. So 12 into 1 upon 4 minus 15 into 1 upon 2. So now you see here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 3 minus 15 upon 2. So now see here, this we will do cross multiplication. Okay. So 2 3s are 6 minus 15 whole divided by 2. So 6 minus 15 is minus 9 upon 2. 6 minus 15 is minus 9 upon 2. Okay. Now see next example. A into bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. In same way, we have to simplify this expression and we have to find the value of that expression at a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. In previous example means in this example, I have found the value at x is equal to 1 upon 2. You have to find the value at x is equal to 3. Now see here this example, a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Again this a will be multiplied with this a square, with this a and with this 1. So a into a square plus a into a plus a into 1 plus 5. So a into a square is a cube plus a into a is a square plus a into 1 is a plus 5. Okay. So this is the simplified expression. Now we have to find the value of this at a is equal to 0, 1 and minus 1. Any one example you can take. So I have taken at a is equal to minus 1. Just replace a by minus 1. So minus 1 raised to 3 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 plus 5. So here minus 1 raised to 3 is minus 1 plus minus 1 raised to 2 is 1 plus minus 1 and plus 5. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 and this 1 gets cancelled. Okay. So minus 1 plus 5 is positive 4. See question number 5. In this we have to add, see question number 5, second question. Two polynomials are given. 2x into bracket z minus x minus y and another one is 2y into z minus y minus x. This both the polynomials or expressions you have to add this. So first we will simplify and then only we will add this. So see first expression 2x into z minus x into y means this 2x will multiply to this z, to this x and again to this y. So 2x into z minus sign 2x into x minus sign 2x into y. So 2x into z gives you 2xz minus 2x into x gives you minus 2x square and this minus sign 2xy, 2x into y gives you 2xy. Similarly, see next expression 2y into z minus y minus x. So 2y into z minus sign 2y into y minus sign and 2y into x, which gives you 2y into z, 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Okay. Now see, these are the expressions. Now we have to add this. In one of the lectures, in one of the previous videos, I have told you that while adding, we have to arrange the variables below each other. Now see here, which variables are same here? Only x, y. So let us see how to add this. So first, we have written the first expression, that is 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Below that, we have written second expression, that is 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Now see here, these variables are same and these variables are not same. Okay. So in this example, we will write variables below each other and we will write it as it is. So while adding, how to add now this 2xz plus 2yz means 2xz plus 2yz. Okay. See here it is minus sign. So you can write here plus minus 2x square plus minus 2y square. Suppose it is like this, 2x square plus minus 2y square. How you will write this? Minus 2x square plus minus becomes minus. Okay, so that what I have written here. Minus 2x square minus 2y square. So minus 2xy plus minus 2xy. See this minus minus becomes plus, but greater number signs it is both are equal, so we will give as minus sign. So minus 4xy. So what is your expression here? Answer here 2xz plus 2yz minus y minus c plus minus becomes minus minus 2x square minus 2y square plus minus becomes minus 2y square minus 4xy. Let us see question number 5c. Subtract 3l into l minus 4l plus 5l from 4l into 10l minus 3l plus 2l. These are the two expressions. In previous example, we have to add two expressions. minus 3l into 4m 12lm plus 3l into 5m 15ln. Similarly, next expression is 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. So 4l into 10n minus 4l into 3m plus 4l into 2l. Okay, this 4l into 10n gives you 40ln minus 4l into 3m gives you 12lm plus 4l into 2l gives you 8l square. Okay, see now you have this trinomial and this trinomial. Now you have to subtract this from this. First we will write this trinomial. Okay, now you can see here, see these variables are same, ln, l square. So we will arrange in such a way that variables comes below each other. Okay, so first we will write this trinomial 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square. Now in this trinomial, see, take the term which is of variable ln. So 15ln, positive 15ln minus 12lm plus 3l square. Now we have to subtract this. In one of the previous videos I have told you, when we have to subtract the two expressions, we will change the sign of the second expression. So here it is positive, so here we will make negative. Here it is negative, so here we will make positive. Here it is positive, so here we will make negative. Now see, 40ln minus 15ln, which gives you 25ln, minus 12ln plus 12ln, minus plus positive, opposite sides it will get cancelled. So 0, minus 0 plus 0 you can write. See here, plus 8l square minus 3l square plus 5l square. So your answer is 5l square plus 25 ln. In this way you have to solve rest of the example.